Fragrance fam, today we're diving into something that we don't talk about enough, marketing handmade candles to men. While we chat, I'll be making a candle using one of my personal favorite among our more masculine scents, our version of Tobacco and Bay Leaf by Brambleberry. This scent is warm, clean, and just a little bit rugged, so it's perfect for today's topic. Let's start with a myth. Men don't buy candles. Not true. In fact, men love a good candle when it's presented the right way. The key is shifting the vibe from something decorative or cute to something that feels intentional, grounding, and practical. Scents that tend to resonate with men are usually earthy, herbal, woodsy, or fresh. Think sandalwood, cedar, eucalyptus, amber, or in this case, tobacco leaf. Our version of Brambleberry's Tobacco and Bay Leaf fragrance is a perfect example. It's masculine, but still smooth and sophisticated. You get that subtle spice and warmth without being overpowering. When marketing to men, minimalism is your best friend. Stick with bold fonts, neutral or dark color palettes, and skip the frills. Think matte finishes, neutral colors, and a clear design. You want the packaging to feel like something that could sit confidently on a desk, in a living room, or even a workshop. No glitter, no cursive fonts, no overly sweet names. Okay, here's a big one. How you talk about the candle matters. Instead of marketing it with phrases like cozy fall vibes, try this. Clean and grounded, a warm, no-nonsense scent, crafted for quiet moments. Short, confident phrases that lean into mood and utility tend to perform better with male customers. When it comes to getting your candles on store shelves, keep in mind that many men don't always browse candle aisles, so meet them where they already are. Consider selling candles at barbershops, men's grooming stores, or markets focused on handmade goods, tools, or outdoor gear. Alternatively, I'll let you in on a little secret. A lot of men don't buy their own candles, but people buy them for men. So don't be afraid to market directly to gift buyers. Words like "for the guy that has everything" or "finally, a candle he'll actually use" are attention-grabbing and relatable. They make great gifts for Father's Day, birthdays, or bachelor parties. You can even make masculine gift sets that pair your candle with items like beard balm, soap, or cologne. With a fragrance like this one, it's easy to create an entire line with one universal scent. So there you have it, a clean, masculine candle and some tips on how to actually sell it. Remember, curated, confident, and practical wins the day when marketing to men. If you're already making candles and want to expand your customer base, this is a great direction to explore. If you've got a favorite scent that you think men would love, drop it in the comments. I'd love to hear your picks. And don't forget to subscribe to join the Fragrance fam for more tutorials and business tips. See you next time. Bye.